Hey, Espresso lovers, Mark here from Whole Latte Love. Just finishing up an Americano here in a Bezzera BZ13. Actually, it's technically a long black. I'm doing the espresso over the top using some Ethiopian Eureka from Berry House. Very fruity, lighter, higher altitude coffee. Really like this in the Americano. It's actually a double Americano because I'm going a little bit heavy today. Gotta stay caffeinated. But what I want to talk about is customizing options. A couple months ago, I did a video about how in 2021 that was going to be a trend, and we're seeing it here. You know, for a long time, these prosumer level machines were always, you know, in the highly polished stainless steel housings. Well, now we have the Bezzera BZ13 here. It's available in the rosso, the red, the bianco, the white, and the nero, that's black. Over here, I've got a, you know, if you wanna, you know, pair up something that looks nice together, I have a red, the rosso, Eureka Mignon Magnifico grinder. Really like this grinder a lot. It's very quiet. 55 millimeter flat burr, does a really nice job. 2-time presets on that, or you can grind manually. Now, I'm not going to do a full review of the machine. We really want to talk about customizing options, and it goes beyond just the housings. I do have a full review of Bezzera's BZ13. Link to that up here, and I'll put it down in the description as well. So some other customizing options. If you notice on here, we have some wood. So you can get this in rosewood trim with a portafilter, nice angled portafilter. I like those because when you go to tamp or level, it's going to be parallel to your countertop. And we got the rosewood knobs here as well. You can stay with straight black, so you can get the machine either way with the black knobs and black portafilter with the logo on it. Again, the logo. I did find this, by the way, when I was in Milan at the castle there. You'll see that in the castle in Milan. Some other options, stuff that doesn't come with the machine, but if you want to stay with that wood theme, there's a Bezzera rosewood tamper that's available. It's got the logo in it as well. I use a leveler a lot, so I've got the Jack leveler here. This is not rosewood, but it's a wood look finish to that. I do like these levelers a lot. More about the BZ13. So this is an NSF rated heat exchange PID machine, and it's really a great value. It's got the heated group. So when you turn this thing on, it's going to be ready to brew much faster than, say, an E61 machine. So it's got electric heating of that group. So it's somewhere in the neighborhood about 10 minutes from on to ready to brew. Again, PID, if you check out my review video, we did do some scase testing on it. It's got really nice brew temperatures. Now, I'm using the DE version of the machine, which has 2 presets. So if you just want to push a button and brew like I did with my Americano, let me get some of that. Oh, a little tip with this. What I did with this is I put my hot water out first, let that sit, because you don't want to drink it super, super hot. You know, the cooler stuff is, the more you can detect flavors, and I really want to get the flavors of this. Oh yeah, I do like that as an Americano. One more. So anyhow, the DE version here, there's also the PM version, which is just more of a push on, push off to brew, but a really nice machine, a true value in heat exchange PID machines, and with a lot of options. So if you have any questions about this machine, use those comments. I spent a lot of time down there. I do invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hopefully we'll see you back here soon for more of the best on everything coffee, brought to you by Whole Latte Love.